Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to make vegetable biryani. Let's start the recipe. Now we are going to prepare everything in the whistle cooker and very quickly. Heat the cooker and add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 2 teaspoons of oil. After the oil with ghee melted warm, add cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bayleaf and star anise. Once they fry a bit, add the chopped onions into the cooker. The onion should be chopped like this for biryani always. Once the onion color changes to golden brown, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Stir well until the raw smell goes out. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Gara masala, 1 teaspoon Biryani masala, after mixing a bit, add chopped tomatoes. After mixing a bit, add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well until tomatoes become like a paste. Now add some coriander and mint leaves. Add the chopped carrots. Chopped potatoes. And then half cup of peas and beans. Mix it well with the masala. Now add half cup of curd. Mix it well. And I have taken 2 cup of soaked basmati rice. So I have to add 2:3 ratio cup of water. Add soaked basmati rice.
I like to walk. Let's the cake. Ciao. Ciao. Merry Christmas.
Add requisite salt
Cake.
and close the lid with the whistle set. Keep it for 1 whistle. Now the biryani is ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.